Hi friends, welcome to Learning English Vocabulary Lesson 13. I'm here with you to teach you this lesson. I hope you are enjoying and learning English vocabulary to make your life more easy. These lessons are very useful for everyone, for students, parents, teachers, and workers too. In this video, words are starting with letter C because C has a lot of words. So let's have a look on the words. The first word is cambric. Cambric means thin linen, lightweight fabric, बारीक कपड़ा. Camisole. Camisole means embroidered underbodies, undergarments. We often use under the shirts, under the pants. This is chemise. Next is camp. You know what is camp, camping, favorite of kids, but the actual mean, yes, this is the actual mean, live in tent, collectively, farming, safari dera. Next is canning. Canning mean preserving, close air containers. डब्बों में बंद, the tin foods we often buy from shops. Next is canary. Canary mean light yellow bird, yellow green plumage, a beautiful bird which is well known for its singing. Caper mean behave foolishly and playful. Third one is informal, ahmakana harkatein, that means play like childish behavior. Capon. Capon mean cook fattened, domestic cook for eating. Mota murga. Caption. Caption mean short heading of an article. Unvan. Next is captious, mean fault finding, finding mistakes, critical, naktajini, and we can say criticize. Caravan mean travelers going together, camping, and mobile home, kafla. Cardamom. Cardamom mean a kind of spice, choti ilaichi. We often use cardamom in our teas and desserts. Cardinal. Cardinal mean most important and main. And third one is fundamental, aham. The next is career. Career mean progress through life. And occupation, pesha. Next is carmine. Carmine mean red bright color and deep red color, the color next to the orange, karmasi rang. Thank you for learning with us. I hope you understood the words and their sounds very clearly and understood their meanings as well. If you like the video, please share it, like it, and subscribe the channel and give your opinion in the comments. I wish you a successful life ahead. To all my viewers, listeners, learners, and subscribers, good luck, take care, Goodbye.